up, Bossy Babes? Back again with another video as promised. And today we're going to be using the Dollar Tree makeup. I don't know how this is gonna turn out, honestly. Don't mind my face being red either. I just got out the shower and I just worked out with my friends, so I turn red when I'm hot. And it's like 90 freaking degrees outside, so. If you're new to this channel, don't forget to hit that post notification above. Don't forget to like, comment, and please subscribe. Subscribe, so I can grow my family, because we're a family now. So we gotta get together, and we gotta get together fast. We got some liquid makeup from L.A Colors in the shade True Beige, and I literally had to get the last colors that they had, so I'm hoping that they mix well. I got this L.A Colors Plump Gloss. Let's see, got that, and then I got the liquid makeup. The Buildable Coverage Concealer in the shade Nude. This dog that's barking is so annoying. I got some liquid eyeliner. I got this 3-color eyeshadow. Brow cream gel. Some pressed powder. Booyah! The loose powder. Powder blush. Moisturizing foundation from Sassy+chic, and the mascara lash building. And I also got these lashes. I spent like a total of like $13 or $14 on this stuff, and pretty impressed. So let's get right into it. So we're just gonna rip this bad boy open. Oh wait, let me get a mirror really quick. Okay, I'm back with my mirror. Got my mirror. Oh my god, I can't even get it. Got it. So this is how it looks. Oh, got me. That's what it looks like. But you know me, I always mess everything up, so. I'm scared. I work slow, and I don't like my eyebrows to be like hella dark. It's coming along okay, I guess. We don't care. They're Buildable Coverage in the shade Nude. Let's see how good it blends in on my face. Very, how do you call it? Sheer, as they say. I like my stuff to be like on there, you know? I like that on there. I'm getting like makeup everywhere. Just gonna brush these things out cause they're a little harsh. Whatever, okay? Don't judge me. So now I'm gonna prime my face with my primer because they didn't have one. I got this liquid one and then I got this moisturizing one. So I'm just gonna do half and half. I'm gonna get my beauty sponge. And I don't have my setting spray. We're just gonna use water. Oh, here we go. Might have gotten a little bit, oh, this looks too light. Boo, boo. Actually, I think I'm gonna mix. And these were the last colors that they had. So, the color. Holy crap. Look, he looks a little light. Got the white around my lips. Y'all see what's going on? Ooh, it's kind of light though. Low key. Oh no, that's too light. That's too light. No. Okay, we're just gonna cover it up with. Oh, mother of molasses. What's going on? We gotta put like hella coats on there. I don't know, man. It ain't tart though. It ain't tart though. We're gonna get somewhere. It's alright. It's alright. I can dig that. I haven't ate all day today and my sleep schedule is stupid off. It's so annoying. I don't know if I want to do this powder because it's kind of light. So this is the powder. If I could get it open. I might do the beige one because that one comes with a little sponge. I'm so ghetto. Okay. You know what? I'm gonna use what they gave me, okay? I'm gonna fold it because bro, this dog. Alright, let me stop because it's making me wet. You know what? I just fucked up! Oh. What is this? This is crazy. Whatever. This is too much. I'm fucking hungry. I don't know what I'm saying. On the mic is a queen. Now listen to me sing. He wants a number 3 superstars on your friends. He could come out the house with no ankle bracelet on, but he got 2 strikes, so don't get his order wrong. My face is done. Let me see if I can do some little eyeshadow. We're gonna. Ooh, let me give us this. On my eye. And this literally kind of isn't really showing. Whatever. And zoom out. This lip plumper gloss to finish my lip. Okay. My lip is trapped right here. But who cares? Look like a mess. But who cares? Because I don't. Okay, so this is the finished look. Don't mind my eyelids because, you know, they need some work done. But everything else I think looks okay for the most part. The eyebrow stuff, it was cool. It was alright. The eyeshadow was not alright. The foundation, the first foundation, this liquid one was okay, but this one gotta get cut. This stuff, it didn't really make a difference, but whatever. The powder was whatever, and the lip gloss was okay. Like, I like the lip gloss, it was cool. And I feel my lips getting plump, so I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. I will be listing all the products down below, and you can get this at your local Dollar Tree. That's where I got mine from, and yeah.